Happy New Year! I'm David Stark and welcome to a special edition of the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. This month we'll look back at residential real estate trends during 2019 and see just how much things have changed. Let's start with the big picture. Lack of homes for sale has been driving real estate markets throughout the East Bay for the last several years. 2019 was special because the number of homes for sale reached a 3-year high in several East Bay regions. More choices for buyers had a direct impact on sales prices. Take out Lamorinda and the Delta regions, and prices dropped during 2019 compared to 2018. Lower prices didn't inspire more home buyers. The total number of homes sold in each East Bay region dropped to a 3-year low during 2019. Now, let's get local. 880 Corridor. Almost 600 more homes for sale during 2019 compared to 2018, with big increases in Fremont, Newark, Oakland, and San Leandro. Sales prices were either up or down in the single-digit range, a big change from previous years. Oakland had the biggest increases with prices during 2019 up 6% compared to 2018, but prices in Union City dropped 15%. Sales along most of the 880 corridor were almost unchanged compared with 2018. West Contra Costa County. Compared to 2018, about 100 fewer homes for sale during 2019, which represents a 5% drop. Sales prices almost unchanged in this region. The biggest news was the 5% increases in Richmond and San Pablo. With fewer homes for sale, the actual number of homes sold also dropped. Sales were down more than 130 units, with the biggest change in Richmond. Central Contra Costa County. About 280 fewer homes for sale for the region, with Concord and Martinez losing the most inventory. Sales prices were virtually unchanged from 2018. Prices in Clayton were up 5% and up 4% in Walnut Creek compared to 2018, but everywhere else was in the 1% up or down range. Home sales mostly down or flat. Lamorinda. Big jump in homes for sale in Lamorinda. 200 more units. Orinda accounted for more than 100 of those. Even with more inventory, sales prices were up. Lafayette up 17% compared to 2018. Home sales did drop during 2019, about 12% for the entire region. Tri-Valley. Compared to 2018, a lot more homes for sale, more than 900 for the region. More supply plus years of price appreciation put the brakes on sales prices during 2019. Take Alamo and Danville out of the picture and prices were down in the rest of the Tri-Valley about 3%. Homes sold also took a hit. Livermore and San Ramon were the only exceptions, with fewer homes sold everywhere else. The Delta. Pittsburgh had about 100 fewer homes for sale, but with almost 1,000 more units for sale in Brentwood, there was a net increase in supply for the region. Prices during 2019 up 6% in Antioch, 5% in Brentwood, and basically flat in Pittsburgh compared with 2018. This combo didn't help sales. Fewer homes sold in each of the Delta communities. So, what about 2020? The price stability that started in late 2018 continued in 2019 should also be part of 2020. This should help put buyers and sellers on a more even playing field. We'll see you next month.